ABC alphabet sound. A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball that rolls on feet. C for cat who loves to play. D for dog who barks all day.
Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next
E for elephant, big and strong.
A B C D E F G.
F for fish who swims along.
Q R S T U V W X.
G for goat with little horns.
My ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
H for hat that keeps us warm.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U
I for ice cream, cold and nice.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you?
J for jug with water and ice.
A B C D
K for kite up in the sky.
J K L M N O P Q R S T U V.
L for lion who gives a loud cry.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
M for mango, juicy and sweet. N for nest where birds meet. O for orange, round and bright. P for parrot, a lovely sight. Q for queen with a crown on head.
H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
R for rabbit who loves to spread.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
S for sun that shines so high.
H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X.
E for tree that touches the sky.
My ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
U for umbrella in the rain. V for van on the lane.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O
W for watch that tells the time.
P W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
X for xylophone with a kind. Y for yak with furry hair.
H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X.
Z for zebra, strips everywhere.